Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how I made this necklace using a jade gemstone that my grandma had and then a little pendant that I found, which I'll link down below. Let's go.
So here is the little jade stone that we found when clearing out my grandparents' house. I'm not sure why my grandma had this or even where she got it, but I knew I had to do something with it. So I found this really pretty pendant from Lima beads or Lima beads. I think it's Lima. I'll link it down below, but it's a gold plated pendant that has a little circular frame right there in the middle meant for stones cut to this size. So all I'm going to do is dab a tiny little dot of E6000 glue on and use a toothpick to get all the little stringy bits off. This glue is super easy to work with and it doesn't dry super fast, so you can kind of play with things a little bit. And then I used my tweezers to kind of get the stone set in place and then used my fingers to just make sure I centered it within the frame. But once this glue dries, it's permanent. It's not going anywhere. So then I ordered a really dainty gold chain from Amazon, which I will also link down below. And I just thought it was going to look really pretty. I may change the chain eventually because it's such a heavy pendant and this is such a dainty chain, but for now it works. Then I grabbed a gold filled jump ring that I got from Stunstone, which I use for my permanent jewelry. And just like any other jump ring, I opened it up, threaded the charm through it and the chain through it. I did want to make sure that I kept everything gold filled or gold plated heavily. The pendant is plated, but it's not going to wear off anytime soon. But the chain and the jump ring are both gold filled so that the gold will last a little bit longer. Plated can kind of wear off quicker. But anyway, got the jump ring, the chain, and the pendant all put together here, closed up the jump ring, and I used my little TIG welder to spot weld, and then my fiberglass brush to polish it, and it is not going anywhere. That is a permanent jump ring until you cut it off, and I just think it turned out so beautiful. So here is kind of the up close look at the pendant. I just really love the geometric design. It is so pretty, and I have really enjoyed wearing my necklace. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.